Okay, so one of the most insulting things you can say to me is to call me a hoarder. Probably because, you know, I do collect a little bit of junk. But there's actually a good reason for it. And if I were to make the distinguishment between a hoarder and somebody who's just very frugal, I'm going to show you that now. But these chains, I need snow chains to get up to my off-grid place, and I haven't had this truck for very long, so I need a set of chains, front and back preferably. And I've had these chains now from another vehicle I had probably close to 10 years, but they do not fit. So with a little bit of tinkering, I should be able to get myself a full set of chains for my truck. And just quickly I'll show you before I actually do the repair. So if I had to buy these chains, I priced them, they're $180 a pair. I need 2 pairs, plus the tax I would have to pay, so that's $385. Now for me to pay $385, I would have to earn, with all the deductions from my paycheck, such as taxes, social security, and all the other bits and pieces, I would have to actually earn $500 to buy these snow chains. And that doesn't include things like fuel to get to work, or transport to get to work, or interest if I use a credit card. So, I don't know if you can see that, but that's my mathematics when it comes to, is it worth taking time to, one, hold on to all these chains for 10 years, because I know that one day I'll probably want to use them, and 2, spend a couple of hours adding in a couple of sections here and there. And I think it's well worth the time. So, alright, what I'm doing, I went to Home Depot and Cal Ranch. Home Depot should have had everything, but they seem to be running low on everything at the moment. So I got the chain from Home Depot, and had to go to Cal Ranch to get these split links, or what was the other thing they were called? Just trying to find the name of these things. Lap link. So, and all they are is a split piece of, you know, wire, and you put the chain link through there and then just squeeze them together. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of just a tack weld on them, just to make sure they don't come apart. But this is what's involved. So to repair this chain, I got about $2 worth of this type of chain, and I think $4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, about $8 worth of split links, lap links. Okay, that one's done. Here. And one more here. Now, rebuilt that chain, made it a bit longer, which is all it needed, and I will crank up the welder and give these a quick tack weld on them as well. That's all that was involved in Get myself a set of chains for this truck. So by using these vice grips and crimping it together and then giving it a tack weld, also helps to hold it closely together. Good enough. The actual welding's probably not necessary, but I think it adds a bit of strength to it. So there you go.